Sorry about that, parents. Hopefully I have enough memory now to finish this video. As I was saying, that 4/6 is greater than 1/2, but 3/8 is actually less than 1/2. So in this case, I would put that 4/6 is greater than 3/8. Let's go on to number 2. I'm comparing the fractions 1/3 and 7/8. It's easiest, perhaps, to consider the eighths first. How many eighths would it take to reach the 1/2 point? We already did it up here. It would actually take 4/8, which equals 1/2, to reach the halfway point. But here, we're already way past that. We have 7/8. What about here, 1/3? Well, if we have something divided into thirds, we would have to have 1½ pieces of it to reach the 1/2 point. Here we only have one piece of it, not 1½. So 1/3 is less than 7/8. Let's look at number 3. We have 9/12 compared to 4/10. Well, how many tenths would it take to reach the halfway point? If something were divided into 10 pieces, I would need 5 of those pieces to reach the halfway point. 4 pieces, or 4/10, is too little to reach the halfway point. What about 9/12? Well, to reach the halfway point of 12ths, I would have to have 6. I'm already at 9, so I have more than what I need. Therefore, 9/12 is greater than 4/10. Going on to number 4. 2/5 compared to 8/14. Well, to reach the halfway point of 14ths, I would have to have 7, because 7 is half of 14. I already have 8/14. That means that I'm past the halfway point for 14ths. For fifths, well, half of 5 is 2½ I only have 2. So I haven't reached the halfway point for the fifths. Therefore, 2/5 is less than 8/14. And finally, let's look at 9/18 compared to 7/12. Well, to reach the halfway point of 12ths, I would have to have at least 6, because 6 is half of 12. I have 7 pieces, 7 out of 12 pieces, so I have more than half. For the 18ths, I would have to have at least 9 to reach the halfway point, or to go beyond the halfway point. To reach exactly the halfway point, I would have to have 9/18. That's exactly what I have, 9/18. So 9/18 is actually half. But here I have more than half. Therefore, 9/18 is less than 7/12. I hope this has helped. The homework that we are doing tonight is very similar. We also apply it to a word problem. They have to do, as I recall, number 13, which is the first of 2 word problems on that page. They are not required to do the second word problem unless I've told them otherwise. Thank you very much, and remember that they can come to me for help at lunchtime if necessary tomorrow. Bye-bye.